Alright, we have this old JVC video camera here that actually uses VHS-C tapes, and it is inside a Hamilton Beach toaster oven. It's on, and what do you guys think? You think I should go back to standard definition with camera? Trying to turn the light on. See, this thing has a light.
I got it. You got it.
There it is. We want it on. Alright. Now, what option do we want here? We got, we can go all the way up to 450 on this thing for oil toast. And you want convection bake?
Let's do 350.
Do you want convection?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, 350 convection. Right down here. Yeah, and we stay on, or? Yep. All right. Let's cook up a JVC camera.
I'll wait for something to go poof.
Doubt it. I think it's going to burn through those wires first. As soon as I see that light go out, I'm going to go and try to get that tape out of it. Get the pry it open. Oh, listen. It's getting up the temperature. Oh.
It's just the metal expanding.
Yeah. I think it's kind of getting kind of hot in there.
Oh yeah, feel that.
Yeah.
Just start.
Are the heat elements glowing yet?
I don't know. Do you have it all that?
Oh, there it went.
You want to get the tape out?
No, it's still on. I'm going to do it as soon as that camera goes out.
Why'd that go?
Because it burnt through the cable. I don't know if you can see everything on here.
What the hell is he doing? He's going back.
Oh god. You can't see the smoke. We're smoking here because I think we're burning the wires.
Look at that one wire right there.
Yeah. Oh no. Oh my god, the bottom of the camera is melting. If you can see that. Oh, it's gone. Okay, I'm gonna try to get that tape out of there. Oh my god. I'm gonna put it in there until that thing's gone. Once I try soft. Right there, that way. Not working.
Mechanical, isn't it? Or is it
No. Oh, look at the LED on.
Hold it. There's gotta be a latch that you can open.
We're gonna roast this till there's.
On the left, watch that cable. We kind of cut that cable. It's smoking on the bottom.
Yeah, because we threw shit on the heating element.
That's not even what we did. I don't think, is it?
Yeah, it's part of the yellow cable, the yellow composite cable plug. I got some little clicks.
Down.
It is?
Yeah, I can see it going through the grate a little bit. Should have put it on the side. Can we do that? Hold on.
Turn it. We need to rotate our item that we're cooking here.
Oh my god, don't touch it. Don't touch it.
It's not hot here. There we go.
see. Oh my God. Hawk.
Now it finally starts.
What's that?
It's at a temperature where
Doesn't
the
like it.
metal expanded to where it vibrates.
I wouldn't touch that.
It's actually not hot. That
Not
hot.
to your hand.
Oh, the camera lens, it's starting to like
Watch your thumb.
flatten.
Hopefully you guys can hear that.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Oh yeah, put it up there. Put it up. Let's set the damn thing on the heating elements.
Like, go. You're working on heating over here.
Yeah.
It's fine. There we go. Want it over more?
Oh, fire, 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 fire.
Great idea. Thanks.
Man, look at this right here.
Yeah, I know. Maybe we should.
Oh, well, it says keep the doors closed. But I don't see that part. I don't.
I
Yeah.
can't read that.
Yeah.
I kind of can't read that.
Yeah. Yeah.
Maybe I can. That part right about there?
Okay, it completely blacked out.
Oh, it's cracking.
Yeah.
Or is that something else? Shawn? Maybe we should unplug it. Do what it says.
Nah. Convection.
It's kind of on a wooden table.
We're covered.
Yeah, they look good. I see cars.
It's not really black.
Oh,
Ooh.
you can see it going up.
Oh.
See it going up.
Oh, I think the thermostat's satisfied.
Here goes somebody driving by. Please don't stop. She looked straight over here. Maybe we should open it for a second.
Maybe look at
Watch your hand. That's why it says don't open.
Oh my God, close it.
Close it. Look up.
Can you imagine that in your kitchen?
Oh, look at the side of that. Hey, do that. Just a little bit. Not that much. There's screws.
Where?
Right there. See them?
Oh.
No, it didn't like that.
I wonder what was burnt. It's like,
I wonder what it caught on fire.
I know. It was like in the back.
Maybe we should unplug it now.
Hold on.
Turn it down.
Toast. Turn the convection fan off. I think it's done. Yeah, what's that?
It's not sticking very much anyway. See?
Yeah.
Oh, hey.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I think it's tender. Is it tender, Matt?
No, it wasn't chewy and gooey.
Ooh.
Can't get the camera out.
Oh.
My God.
Is that the LCD screen there?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, yeah, I know.
See? Not much left of it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Kinda
Ooh.
broke.
I think the glue got a little soft.
That's the LCD.
Yeah. Ooh.
So gooey.
Oh, I like that. It's not crinkly.
Oh,
Crinkly.
I'm popping.
Yeah.
Ow!
It's
Doesn't like it. It's steaming pretty good.
yeah. Cooled you down.
It's still kind of hot.